Hurricane Florence brought paralyzing flooding on our interstates last September, a topic discussed today at the 2019 North Carolina Transportation Summit in Raleigh. Meteorologist Bill Ray found out what is being done to prevent flooding in the future.
Florence's flooding was devastating and widespread, including covering our major interstates 95 and 40.
And isolated Wilmington, and that was really troubling. You know, they started worrying about how they're going to get food and supplies, and the military was actually geared the Navy that they might have to deliver.
Fortunately, that didn't happen, but it got the state thinking what to do if this happens again. What could be done to I-95 and 40?
In some areas, it's going to have to be just elevation. It was simply the roads too low. In other areas, it's going to have to be bridging, and so they're looking at, you know, these options, the cost of these options, and that's a real high priority.
The state is trying to get ideas from all over the world, including the Netherlands, where they have reclaimed land from the sea.
We don't use just levees. We also use floodplains. We create systems that decrease the water quicker.
But all that costs money and time.
We are now also starting to acknowledge that there's only so much you can do, and that there are situations that we just have to hunker down and ride out the storm. And we're now focusing on policies to make sure that we keep the people safe.
Safety is number one.
Even there's warnings that have been issued to not drive. Heed those, because that's where a lot of the deaths occur, are people trying to go out on the road.
But I got to get to Florida on 95 and I can't stop.
Well, do you want to get to your grave or do you want to get to Florida? I guess is kind of the question.
Yeah. Bill Ray, CBS 17 News, Raleigh.